Hello friend, good morning and welcome all of you in my self-talking journey, day 312. So thank you to the God, thank you to the entire universe that successfully I completed more than 10 months. And আমার মনে হয় আমরা প্রত্যেকে যেটা করি সেটা হচ্ছে একটা কমন মিস্টেক, যে গো ফর পারফেকশন। হ্যাঁ, পারফেকশন মানে একদম খুব পারফেক্ট করবো, নিখুঁত করবো, ভুল করবো না। यस, दिस इज़ द राइट माइंडसेट, इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट उसके चक्कर में जो होता है আমরা মাঝে মাঝে আমরা জাস্ট প্রোক্রেস্টিনেট করি, আমরা কোনো কিছু শুরুই করি না। পারফেকশনের খুব ভালো করবো, খুব বড় কিছু করবো, খুব পারফেক্ট করবো, তো আমরা খালি ভাবতেই থাকি আর কোনো কিছু করা হয়ে ওঠে না। তো আমার মনে হয় যে কোনো কিছু করতে গেলে যেটা খুব দরকার সেটা কোনো কিছু শুরু করা এবং প্রতিদিন সেটাকে নিজেকে আপগ্রেড করা এবং ভালো করা। জাস্ট গো ফর 1% ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট এভরি ডে। কিন্তু শুরু না করে শুধু আমরা যদি ভাবি আর ওভার থিঙ্কিং করি, মাঝে মাঝে আমরা ভাবি যে আমাদের যদি কেউ একটু সাপোর্ট করে, হ্যান্ড হোল্ডিং সাপোর্ট, এই জিনিসটা আমরা খুব ভাবি যে সেটা খুব দরকার, অবশ্যই দরকার। কিন্তু सही रही तो सही जो होता है वो मिल जाता है, मतलब लेकिन उसके लिए जो ज़रूरी है राहों पे चलना ज़रूरी होता है। सही राही को सही जो होता है वो ढूँढने के लिए जो ज़रूरी है उसको वो राहों पे चलना है, लेकिन हम चलना ही नहीं स्टार्ट करते। অ্যান্ড আমাদের যে মাইন্ডসেট, যেভাবে আমাদের মাইন্ডসেট প্রতিদিন কাজ করে, আমরা সবসময় যেভাবে ভাবি যে আমার থেকে মনে হয় আলাদা একজন অনেক বেশি কমফোর্ট জোনে আছে, আজকে আমি বড় কিছু করতে পারছি না, আমার কাছে সেই রিসোর্স বা সেই টাকা পয়সা, আজকে হয়তো আমরা একটা অনেকেই ভাবি যে বড় বিজনেস করবো, তো প্রথমেই আমাদের যেটা মাথায় আসে আমার কাছে সেই ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল ব্যাকআপ নেই, বা আমরা যেটা ভাবি যে আমার সেই যে কনফিডেন্স থাকা দরকার একটা বিজনেস করার জন্য, তো যে টাকা পয়সা বা যে রিসোর্স, যা জিনিস দরকার সেই জিনিসগুলো নাই, সেটা যদি থাকতো তাহলে সেটা শুরু করতে পারতাম। কিন্তু এই যে মাইন্ডসেট, অ্যাকচুয়ালি এই মাইন্ডসেটটি আমাদেরকে পথে চলতে সাহায্য করে না। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমরা যেটা সবসময় ভুল করি এবং রিপিটেড মিস্টেক করি সেটা হচ্ছে আমার কাছে যেটা আছে সেটাকে না দেখে যেটা নেই সেটার উপর কমপ্লিটলি ফোকাস করি। কিন্তু আমরা যদি জাস্ট ঠিক অপোজিট করি, হোয়াট আই হ্যাভ অ্যাট ফার্স্ট উই ফোকাস অ্যান্ড আইডেন্টিফাই দ্য থিংস। আমরা যেটা বড় বড় অর্গানাইজেশন বা প্রত্যেকে যেটা একদম প্রুভেন থিওরি, যেটা হচ্ছে এর বিভিন্ন রকমের ফ্রেমওয়ার্ক আছে যেগুলো অলরেডি প্রুভড, যেটার জন্য আর কোনো রকম কোনো কিছু প্রুভ করার দরকার নাই। যেমন শর্ট অ্যানালাইসিস, আমরা প্রত্যেকেই জানি শর্ট অ্যানালাইসিস বলতে যে কোনো অর্গানাইজেশন একটা কী করে, সেই শর্ট অ্যানালাইসিস বলতে সেই কোম্পানির কী কী স্ট্রেংথ যেটা সেই কোম্পানিকে উপরে যেতে সাহায্য করবে, তার মধ্যে সেই যে কোয়ালিটি আছে যে জন্য সেই কোম্পানি আজকে এই জায়গায় আছে। তো স্ট্রেংথ আইডেন্টিফাই করা, স্ট্রেংথ আর উইকনেস, যে কোন কোন দুর্বলতা যেটাকে তার ওভারকাম করা উচিত, আর অপরচুনিটি সামনে আছে যেটাকে সে গ্র্যাব করতে পারবে, আর থ্রেট, হ্যাঁ কোন কোন থ্রেট আছে যেটা তাকে একদম ডুবিয়ে নিতে পারে। কিন্তু এটা আমরা কোম্পানিতে যখন আমরা কাজ করি বা আমাদের যখন বিজনেস করি তখন হয়তো আমরা অনেক সময় বিজনেস সেটা ভাবি, কিন্তু আমাদের যেটা কমন মিস্টেক হয়ে যায় যে আমরা আমাদের নিজেদের জীবনে সেই জিনিসগুলোকে কিন্তু অ্যানালাইসিস করি না। আমরা যেভাবে এটা কারো হয়ে কাজ করি কোনো কোম্পানিতে বা আমার নিজেদের বিজনেস অনেক সময় ভাবি দেখার জন্য, বা অনেকে দেখি না, জেনেও জানি না। তো এই জিনিসটা আমাদের লাইফে করা উচিত এবং প্রতিদিন আমাদেরকে থেকে একটা রিভিউ করা উচিত, যেটাকে বলে অডিট, যে প্রতিদিন উইথ অ্যাওয়ারনেস। আমাদের যদি এই অ্যাওয়ারনেসটাকে বার করি, এই অ্যাওয়ারনেসটা এরকম না যে হঠাৎ করে একদিন আমাদের অ্যাওয়ারনেস বেড়ে যাবে। অ্যাওয়ারনেস এটা হচ্ছে একটা কনসিস্টেন্ট প্রসেস। এভরি ডে ইফ ইউ অডিট দিস, দেন আই থিঙ্ক নো ওয়ান ক্যান স্টপ আস, বাট for that we have to improve the mindset. And for that I just particularly launched this self-talking journey where I encourage everyone, I want to convey them, just live life with awareness and achieve your dream life and where you want to go. So live life with awareness. So for that, how we improve this awareness, how we improve the consciousness is, so for that I encourage everyone that we should spend some time, at least 15 to 20 minutes time, for our body, soul, mind. So body, soul, mind, we know this three pillar is that means interconnected with each other. And if we just give focus on that body, soul, mind, I think we can and do a unbelievable change on ourselves. Actually, a healthy, if we are able to say that health is wealth. So we know everyone. It's not a problem that we don't know. We know everything. Sometimes this is a big problem. And we know everything, but we are not executing. We are not do it repeatedly. So what we have to do, also knowing is not itself sufficient. So we have to implement the Puri framework. Puri. K stands for knowledge, U stands for understanding, R stands for realization, I stands for implementation. So knowledge, we have a knowledge. We are living in an age is a digital age. So we are consuming the knowledge from everywhere. That means different social media platform. It may be YouTube University. It may be other resources. But the problem is we know many more things. What is right? What is wrong? If we upskill ourselves every day, a small basis. Maybe we read a book, one page daily. We know it is we should do each and every day. We audit ourselves. Each and every day we have to spend some time for our body, soul, mind, doing some jogging, exercise, self-affirmation. Self-affirmation is an amazing thing. It's actually when we talk with ourselves with positive vibes, it's created full synergy. It's recharge ourselves throughout the day and radiate the positive vibes, and that is very, very important. How you talk with yourself, then you talk with others. Actually, it's created difference. But for that, consistency is important. We start with energy, lot of energy. We are starting new things. But the problem, we are not consistent. The common thing happen after some day when we not change, we see some visible change in ourselves. We leave our journey mid of the way. But life is not a 2 minute noodle that we quickly prepare it 2 minutes it and we not see the instant result. But so what is important, the important thing we have to be strict on this, and every day we have to upgrade ourselves, and we have to find a right mentor, right surrounding. So yes, this is the important. Actually, we know that we are the outcomes of the all 5 or 10 people who will spend most of the time, and so spend your time wisely. But I am personally benefited from by adopting one approach, that is I spend most of the time in morning time, at least 10 to 15 minutes. I make it ritual. Just I spend some time going alternatively my great mentor like Dr. Shakil Maishri, Dr. Vivek Binda, Dr. Sneha Desai, and Dr. Harshavardhan Jain. So I somehow, when I listen them, yes, definitely it is encouraging me, and each and every day I audit what I am doing mistake and what I should do rectify, and how I improve myself. So, oh, yes, another thing is fast framework. Fast framework is very, very powerful. Fast, F for focused, I for innovative, R for reliable, S for self-motivated, and E for team-oriented. Focused, innovative, reliable, self-motivated, and team-oriented. So if we really want to achieve something, we have to be focused, and focused is very, very important. And so if we focus, actually most of the time what happens, we set a goal, we working hard for the goal, but what happens, sometimes some negative feedback, some challenges coming in our life, and we distract from our focus. And most of the time the common mistakes, what we are common people, what are we are doing, we are react in the unprofessional way and respond unprofessional way, and that is distract us. If we not know how to react and how to respond, then actually it is distract us. It's not help us to concentrate. So wise your steps, how you react, how to respond, and that is very, very important. And work on mindset. For that, body, soul, mind. So mindset, like each and every problem, challenges, circumstance, situation coming or to make a better version of ourselves. Actually, if any problem is not coming in our life, actually we are not stay in the same position. So we have to be just cross check that we are not a stagnant water. We have to be flowing water like a river. We have to be build this quality each and every day. And I think nothing is impossible. We can do anything and everything. So the encouraging story, what I shared last time also, I just share, I want to share this story. So there is a balloon seller who just survived his life by selling balloon in a fair, and he is selling different color of balloon. It may be red, yellow, green, yellow. So different color of balloon he is selling, and the person when throughout the day during selling the balloon, when he found that his selling is goes down, on the time he just practically release a helium in the balloon to the air. So when all the child in that air they see that one balloon is just flying high in the sky. All the child want to get this ball, and suddenly the selling of balloon is goes high, and on that time just this process actually the balloon seller follow repeatedly after some interval, and in this way he just increases selling the balloon. The one day what happened, the balloon seller just surprisingly saying that one just curious child just tackled his jacket from the backside, and so on the time the balloon seller will look back, he found that one curious child asking that is it possible that the black balloon also is sky high, high? So on that time, the balloon seller smile and say, yeah, child, it's not about the color of the balloon. It's what inside the balloon. The helium actually which help to fly high to the balloon, sky high. So in our life, in similar way, the right attitude, right mindset, that is very very important. And most of the people will know that we need right attitude, we need the right intention, and so but somehow we are missing our, and we are not work for that. And so in our life also, if we really want to do something great, then we need this right attitude, right attitude and right thought process. But how we improve this right attitude, right thought process, it's not a magic. That means it's not we can buy from the market. If we really want to develop this right attitude, right thought process, we can't buy from the market. For that we have to work for ourselves each and every day with consistency. That is very important. Yes, maybe we are doing some mistake, but we accept the mistake and we move forward. That is very very important. And most of the time सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, we are too much actually run by others people in thought. We have to we just cross check what is our intention, what is our proper vision, and accordingly we have to take some action. Then only it's possible that we achieve our dream life. So if we have a right intention, then and I think no one can stop. But right intention is very very important. And if we have a right intention, then it does not matter what I have today, but I can get anything and everything if we have a right intention. So I think we should everyone work for our right intention, and how to deal with the negative situation, negative atmosphere, and with mindset. If we have a right, strong mindset, then only we can overcome all those things. And to build those strong mindset, and we have to be mentally. If we really want to become a mentally strong, then we have to be jogging, prayer, yoga. That is very very important. And on that time, what happened? It's not many more. We have a common mistake, common wrong thought process, that if I do the right thing, then everything right happen with my life. That means if I am a perfect, then everything perfect happen with me. If I am doing right things, then everything right things happen with me. This is the common mistakes as we are in our thought process. Actually, it's not like that. That if I am doing right, then that means as I am not facing any problem, challenges, circumstances. But the things, the problem and situation, circumstance, I handle in different way, and it will not sustain long. And we make a better version when each and every time a problem we overcome. We feel proud on that situation. We will not ruin our life on that problem. So that's why it is not that the actually success and failure people both are facing the same kind of problem, different kind of problem, different kind of big challenges, but they are not stuck. They move forward. As because they are consistency, they are practice, they are dedication. So in our life also we have to improve this quality, and it's not possible in one day. And just if we develop that each and every day, I am giving my level best, I am improving myself, I am taking help from the right mentor. Sometimes I know the best deficiency syndrome. That is a common problem of everyone. Actually, I know everything. When we grant ourselves that I know everything, that means I stop the door, I close the door of learning new things. Actually, in this first, in fast chasing world, what is very very important, and we have to be unlearn and relearn new things. There is nothing that each and every steps of our life we can learn new things, we adopt new things, but mindset is very very important, that I will learn something, and the continuation mindset. And most of the time we are too much focused on ourselves, but the problem, we are not able to solve our problem, eventually not others problem. What is very very important, we have to develop a contribution mindset. What is our bigger goal, how I contribute to the society. If we start our day with this intention, how I create some value, give value to my family, to my organization, and everywhere. We have also a common mindset, रघुपति भी राघव राजा राम, जितना तनख्वाह उतना काम. We have a common mindset, eh, जितना दोगे उतना ही देंगे. No, I will give more than that. That means the service, what I am getting salary in month, I return back to the organization more than that. The family, my partner, what they giving, I give the much more. So in this intention, if we how I return back, give back to the society, if we start this kind of thought process, if we start our day with this intention, I think no one can stop. I I just one time I just spent some precious time with one very so-called very rich person, financially, and I think mentally also he is very strong. His age is never over 75, and financially I think if I am not wrong, he is more than I think 20 crores. No, his asset value more than 20 to 25 crores. Just he told me the person's age is 75. He told that if I just if I just getting zero, if I reduce my age, then I give every money to whatever the money I have, I can give everything to that person. If someone say that I can give you the age, maybe it's 40 or something, 30. So of that time, actually he know sometimes what we have, we are not know the value. We have the age, and this is the very energetic. In this time we can do many more things, but we somehow we are just give explain, we have not enough asset and enough financial backup, all those things. But I think we should focus on what we have. So मान लो तो हार है, और ठान लो तो जीत है. So what is important, and we have to be work on our vision, work on for our goal, that we can achieve in life with energy each and every day. I wish all of you to stay healthy, happy, and thank you so much. Bye bye.